Yay, zimbi indaba kuThando neSithembu. We have uMacele out here exposing ama-secrets kaMakhumalo about a secret child, apparently. In terms of this whole secret baby situation, remember how this is sensitive, because like uMakhumalo has been trying to have children, and here comes uMacele with a bomb. Okay, let's get into it. Wow, this season, I feel like season 9 is going to be yo. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jackie. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So isikhathi ebesesindile sesifile manje. uMakhumalo has finally chose herself. Remember the last time uMusamseleku embarrassed uMakhumalo on TV, when uMusamseleku said uMakhumalo isn't fulfilling her purpose in her marriage, like against lokhu ayekulandile, and people translated that and said he meant uMakhumalo isn't giving birth or isn't bearing the fruit like every other woman does emendweni, like in the marriage. And then later on uMusamseleku came to defend uMakhumalo, to defend himself, more like an apology, because the internet wasn't here for it. Now let's talk about uMacele coming out here saying uMakhumalo was pregnant before, like a long time ago. uMakhumalo used to be pregnant. I really didn't catch what she meant by that, but some people were saying she meant uMakhumalo was pregnant. Yes, uMakhumalo was pregnant, and then she unfortunately lost the child, and that child is not Musamseleku's child. Okay, so yeah, that is what is happening. So, but guys, remember, I have the clip here on my channel of uMakhumalo in the studio station where she was talking about how she met uMusamseleku and saying that uMusamseleku started approaching her when she was a very, very small child, when people were saying that uMakhumalo was manipulated into this marriage. Okay, and now people are shocked, saying, oh, why is uMacele saying uMakhumalo had a child outside this marriage? So it doesn't make any sense, because mind you, in that story uMakhumalo met uMusamseleku. Even uMusamseleku said it himself, good. She met uMakhumalo esasemncane and then waited for her to grow, unless if uMakhumalo had done something in that period, but doesn't seem like her. Anyways, waited for uMakhumalo to grow, and finally when she was grown, she then proposed to her. That is when uMakhumalo tells us ukuthi her family did try to warn her about being in a polygamous marriage. Isithembu bazama sibile ukumxwayisa ngokuba esithembini, and then uMakhumalo apparently she came from a polygamous family herself. I'm not sure if it was her mom or her grandparents that were in a polygamous marriage, but something like that. I remember. I can even link the video. I once talked about this sometime last year. We have so much to uncover and so much drama, with uMakhumalo finally choosing herself, switching up on wife number 5. It's like every other wife is distancing themselves from uMusamseleku, of course, except for uMacele. uMacele is the one that is more still standing up for uMusamseleku. Let's keep this in mind. This is a reality show. The more we watch, the more those people gain money, just like how as the YouTubers do. The more you guys watch, it works on our favor. So the storyline, they can manipulate it anytime. Remember Umangwabe kept saying she was leaving, but she's still here. So yeah, I don't know. You guys tell me what you think in the comment section down below. I'll see you on the next video.